I've always looked up to him when it comes to his drive to be like, if he has something, he's very stubborn.
Adi has that pressure now
Yeah.
because his elder sibling is like way smarter than him. That's all. It's a fact.
Adi?
घर मिठाई घर पर आई है ठीक है. The first two people to eat it is my dad and me. My sisters अगर डब्बे में आखिरी पीस बचा ना तो वो उसको मिलता है.
I will tell you what it is. This is the older sibling syndrome. I just coined the term.
This smart girl, she got a proper catchy. Proper catchy. और ऐसा भी नहीं कि पीछे के बाल लिए उसने, आगे के बाल लिए. This section of my hair. खचा. Not from here, not from here, not from here. From here.
Hi guys, this is Srishti.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia.
And I'm Sanjana, and welcome to Besharam. So, today we're going to be talking about the love-hate relationship we share with our siblings. You love them sometimes, you absolutely hate their guts the other,
Yeah.
but you can't live without them.
You can't.
Yeah.
So to put it into context, I have an elder sister who looks younger than me.
I have a younger brother who gets on my nerves every day, but still I love him so much.
I have an elder brother who lives away from home, which absolutely sucks, but yeah.
I have one elder sister, but since I grew up in a joint family, I live with my cousins as well. So it's almost as if I grew up with two sisters and one brother.
Aw.
That's so cute.
I know.
But like, having said that, as our dynamics with our siblings have changed so much over the years. Like,
Yeah.
from like the initial phases of us being together, like, mummy ko bata dungi, to like, tension mat le, mummy ko nahi bataungi.
Yeah.
We have like
I
grown up,
know.
not just physically, but like emotionally
Yeah.
as well with each other.
Yeah.
really,
You
really
grow
do.
with them. They
Yeah.
grow with you. It's like
Yeah.
it's like that.
Like for the longest time, I had this, tiff between me and my elder sister. It was like, never fit properly. And
Yeah.
then very recently when, we just, something happened naturally. And we were just like, you know what? This doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
And, we should cover for each other. And at this
Yeah.
point, I was like, listen, if you need to like, go somewhere or anything, or she shared some things with me and I was like, listen, I'm not going to judge you for this. You're my blood.
Yeah.
And if
exactly.
anything, I'm going to have your back.
No matter what.
Yeah.
No matter what.
Yeah.
And since that point, I have noticed, and for me, it happened very late in life because
Mhm.
my sister's 4 years older than me. So she is, since I'm 19, she's 23. So at 23, we hit that mark. And then we were like, oh, this is useless for us to, fight. We
fight.
still fight, of course.
Obviously.
Yeah.
But it's so much more, there's so much more understanding
Yeah.
now. We don't snitch on each other as much. And even every time we fight, we know it's like playful.
Bro,
Yeah,
I
yeah, same.
completely relate with your situation. So even I have an elder sister. She's 3 years older to me. And there was this time where, we were behind each other's backs. Like if I do something wrong, she'll be like, Mummy, usne aisa kiya, Mummy, usne waisa kiya. And now it's like, mat kar yaar. I don't want to snitch on you. We've been smart enough to like not tell everything to our mother and,
Yeah.
like just, tu kar le. But like, don't cross the limit.
Don't
That's
cross
the
limit.
line she always
Yeah.
says. Don't cross the limit.
Always.
But like with
you
me
know?
and my brother, me being the elder one, always, we used to have this thing where we would like literally not talk to each other.
Mhm.
Like doesn't care. It was like just two of us living in the same house,
Hmm.
sharing the same set of parents, and fighting because he's eating my things and stuff. And then so
the food fights.
Yeah.
Food fights.
Food fights.
so like we used to fight a lot and just like not speak in general. But like later on in life when I got big and like I realized I got a little mature that my parents used to always say that you guys need to be with each other
Yeah.
because like there will come a time where we might not be
Yeah.
and you guys have to stick around with each other.
Yeah.
You guys
Yes.
see how like we are thick with our sisters, brothers.
Yeah.
You have to have that relation too. And at that time we would like be like, oh, we don't
When
care,
you're
we
younger,
don't
it sounds all
understand.
like bullshit. Like,
Yeah.
what are these people saying?
Yeah,
You
like-
know?
Literally.
I don't get it. Like my views doesn't match with him. Why am I
Yeah.
supposed to be like
Yeah.
friends with my
Yeah,
siblings? Siblings are supposed to say siblings.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But then later on, when I got a bit mature, and then I understood, like even though they say blood of the covenant is thicker than the womb of the water of the womb. But still, some relations that are like made are just tight, and like
Yeah.
you have to give it a shot, give it a
Yeah,
chance. I
yeah.
know it might not be the same with everyone,
Yeah.
but like still I gave it a shot with my relationship with my brother. And like just like one day, so he used to always do this thing. Usko padhai karne ka man nahi karta, तो मतलब वो कुछ पढ़ रहा होता है, कुछ कर रहा होता है, then he will come up to me and he's like, तुझे पता है आज क्या हुआ स्कूल में? And I used to always be like, आधी पढ़ाई कर, irritate मत कर, हमेशा तू यही करता है, और मतलब आधा एक घंटा ऐसे टाइम पास करते और फिर बोलते हो गया पढ़ाई. Then later on, like now, like past few years, I've been like, क्या हुआ बता? And then
Yeah.
and then he used
Because
to
he is also growing up.
yeah. And then he
Oh,
used to
God.
share these stories, and the smile he would have on his face
Aw.
while sharing it with me. I was like, this is, important,
Yeah.
him having someone to listen to. And then
Yeah.
even I started sharing my stories. And, earlier he would not react because he would not understand much.
Hmm.
But now that he is growing up, because we have like a 6-year-old gap. So he is like now in 8th standard. And I think so this is the perfect time for us to bond together. So
Same.
I tell him about my friends, and I share stories with him, and he laughs out loud and he's like, I love your friends. I want to hang out with them.
Adi, I need to tell everybody this. Dhritika, me, and Sanjana, we have seen Adi since he was like a child.
Yeah.
He is like our brother as well.
He is.
It's like sometimes we look at him, we like, this man has started looking like a man now.
Yeah,
Yeah, like
like
he's a
guy.
How did that happen? Because he's the youngest sibling out of
Yeah.
all of
Yeah.
us. And we're just like, huh? Ye kab hua?
Bro, like,
Yeah.
It's odd to see him grow up.
the past year he's like this short, this year he's that tall.
Yeah, now
Like-
he's taller than all of us.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
he
he
is.
is.
And I
Yes.
think how you share a 6-year age difference between
Difference.
you and your brother, I do the same. He's 26 now, and I don't know, the two of us never really had massive or like major fights growing up. We've always had our backs, but like it was never like, like, oh, you do whatever, I'll have your back, here and
Yeah.
whatever. But I think there was a phase in the middle where we got really distant. But then we got close so fast.
Mhm.
Like, when you come to that
yeah,
age,
yeah.
you get so close with them, and then it's time for them to go pursue their lives.
Oh.
And there's nothing you can do because,
Exactly.
like, you of course cannot stop that.
Of course
Yeah.
not.
It's such a natural thing that
Thing,
happens
yeah.
that you have to be okay with the fact that they are
They
going
might
to
leave. Yeah.
Yeah.
They are going to leave. They have to pursue their lives, and there's nothing you can do about it. So that's what sucks. I think when you said like you don't understand that you need to cherish that relationship.
Yeah.
It's
So true.
once things start getting real that you're like,
Yeah.
But I
"Shit,
think
dude."
something about you and your brother is so beautiful. They still talk on video calls every
Every day.
That's so
Yeah,
cute.
like,
that's
so cute.
So like that's so important too.
Yeah, and I
Still like garnering that
Yeah.
friendship that you have. It's so beautiful, and
I
I'm
think with
honestly jealous. Not gonna
Yeah.
lie.
I think I'm closer to my brother now more than ever. Like even
Aw.
back then when
Yeah.
we used to live in the same house,
Mm.
you didn't cherish that relationship as much as
Yeah.
now when you are away from them.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
distance is what makes
Yeah.
you like shit, dude.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna see you every day.
Yeah.
Like this is it.
This
like
is
this
it.
is
you
what you
know
have to do.
how like people say that you take things for granted when you have them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once
And
it's
the-
gone, you realize how important
It's not even like her brother is like gone like far matlab, matlab, like gone forever. But still it's like it's a reality check.
He won't
Yeah.
be there.
True.
He
So-
won't be there for a major part of Sanjana's life when even she is growing.
Yeah.
Even when my
exactly.
brother,
That
like
hits.
my cousin, when he like moves away for work, he is in a field of work where he has to be away from home for months at a time. And I remember even since I was little only, we have two different houses. Every time I would go up, I'd be like, "Arey, Asan bhai kahan hai?"
Mhm.
And then I'd realize, oh, he left yesterday.
Aw.
Oh no. Now what to do?
Yeah.
And even now, like whenever he visits home for chai or whatever it is, he lives close by only now. But whenever he visits for chai, I'm always like, oh, ऐसा में नहीं आया आज आज क्यों नहीं आया अच्छा ठीक है कई बार गए ठीक है. But I'm always like longing for that. Whenever I go to that house, to my aunt's house, it's always the question's always there. Asim bhai ka hai? Afshu ka hai? It's that question. It's very natural.
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah,
same
yeah.
for
I think
me.
the same thing had happened to me when
yeah.
I used to come back from either school or college, and Dalen, my brother, used to always be at home either studying or working from home.
Same.
And I remember when he left to go to Canada, like there was this one day when I came back from college and I was like, oh shit, Dalen's not there at home.
Oh,
And I was like,
damn.
shit,
the
should
same
I
thing
call him?
happened
But like
with
it's
me.
night there, so me crying right now is not going to make any difference to him when it's night over there.
Oh, God.
So even when I message him in the day, I'm
Yeah.
like, Delu, I miss you.
Aw.
And he'll see it the next time, like, now I don't want your attention. Now you keep it to yourself, say miss you on your text only. I'm good now.
Bro, the same thing. So my uncle has 2 sons, okay? And the 4 of us have been tight since birth.
Okay.
Like ever since the 4 of us understood what we have as cousins.
Yeah.
Bro, it's been so tight. It's been I cherish that relationship so much. And so my brother got married last year, and his wife, my bhabhi, they recently went to Canada.
Hmm.
And bro, I remember it was a week before they had to leave, and that's when things started to hit. Okay, listen, it's getting real. 1 month back is like, हाँ चलना 1 महीना है, time है अभी, करेंगे, chill करेंगे. But then they were so busy with like packing and this and that, like getting the
Planning.
No,
documents done, all of
literally.
that. Bro, 1 week. So they had come over for some ritual, okay, at my place, because I live with my grandparents, okay. So they had come over for some ritual, and that's when it hit all of us, like all of us. And bro, that day when they came over, bro, I couldn't talk. I was numb.
I get it. You know, so
I was
my
numb.
brother, when he had to go abroad, like to sort out all the documents and stuff,
Yeah.
we have a family group of us, like any other
Of
person.
course, of course.
And he sent like, this got approved. And that's when I realized like, oh shit's gonna get real now.
Yeah.
And I remember traveling back from college to home, and I was in the train and I started crying.
Oh no.
I was like, oh my God,
Mm.
he's not gonna be there at home
Yeah.
like in a couple of months, and I'm gonna have to deal with like everything
Yeah.
on my own now.
Yeah.
Even though it's like, okay, not a big thing, but like their
Yeah.
presence still makes
It matters.
such a
Yeah,
big
like,
difference.
It does matter.
Like, you know how for Dhritika, her extended family members are like a thing, like
Yeah.
very close. So like I have this one cousin, my doctor Didi.
Oh,
You
right.
guys know.
Yeah.
She's
Yeah.
a sweet
So
yaar.
my cousin's elder sister, Gaurangi, she is my best friend.
No.
She is literally my best friend. So like anything happens, I call her up. Like, bro, this is happening. Bro, I'm doing this. I had this today. You should try this out next time you come to Bombay. Like every small thing, every minute thing we share with each
Yeah.
other. And like so she recently like went to Solapur to pursue MBBS, and currently she is like doctor.
Okay.
And like she's studying, so she doesn't have time for me. She's like very busy.
Aw.
But like yesterday it was her birthday, and
Happy birthday.
and yesterday evening she calls me up and she's like, hi, like it's a call, and I'm like, yeah, hi. And just when she said hi, I could sense that she's not feeling good. She was feeling very low, and then I just asked her like, what happened? Are you okay? Is everything fine? And then she said, how did you know I was feeling low? It's just a thing, you can tell.
Is that connection?
It's the telepathy.
Yeah.
And then she was like, she just ranted out for straight 15 minutes. And then she was like, I just wanted to, vent out to a familiar voice. I just, it's my birthday. I'm not
That's
home.
So important.
Aw.
I
That's
just
sad.
feel like talking to you.
Yeah.
And it felt so good. Like, she called me.
She called you.
She considered me.
felt comfortable enough to confide in you in
Yeah.
such a time.
Yeah.
It is really beautiful. That being said, there's something to be said about growing up with a sibling and like how you want to imitate them or like how you
Bro.
ironically for me it was the complete opposite. I wanted to do everything that my sibling did not. Like growing up, my sister, you would like love the color purple.
Yeah.
She like, okay, everything purple. And I was like, मन में मुझे ऐसा लगता था पर्पल काफी अच्छा कलर है,
अच्छा कलर है.
बट मैं बता नहीं सकती. नहीं, मुझे पिंक और ब्लू पसंद है, ले लो. And
Clearly.
Clearly.
to this day I actually do love pink and purple, but something that it's a very funny thing that I went to such lengths to be completely the opposite of my sister. Was since she's 4 years older than me, she when she got in middle school and everything, she wanted mama Facebook banana hai, jo bhi hai, Snapchat banana hai. तो मैंने बोला ew.
Wannabe.
मैं है ना ऐसा कभी करूंगी नहीं मम्मा मेरा है ना 10th हो जाएगा ना उसके बाद कुछ तो सोशल मीडिया अगर मुझे करना होगा तो मैं करूंगी
And that's so
And
she
That's
did.
Yeah,
true.
I
That's what
stayed
she
true
did.
to that.
Yeah.
She did.
I did not have an Instagram till 2019 after I graduated my
Same.
school.
Same.
And that was not because there were a lot of times where I was like, oh, these people, they're connecting outside of school and everything. I felt like it, but I was like, no, I need to prove this wrong.
Yeah.
I am going to stay true to what I said. And I was so stubborn in that, I have to be different than my sister. I have to be different than my sister. A lot of it came with, that tiff that we
Yeah.
had.
Yeah.
But yeah, thankfully
bro-
I dodged that weird,
Yeah.
creepy Instagram phase that
Phase.
not creepy, cringy
Cringy.
Instagram phase that everybody had. Oh
Same.
my god.
But I
Dodge the
think the
bullet.
only way I relate to you on this is that, of course, I didn't copy everything my brother did, but the only thing that I looked up to is his personality and the way he is as a person.
Mhm.
Because to be honest, like, okay, I'm not going to shit on my brother because it's like a thing that siblings do, because I
Yeah.
genuinely love my brother.
Yeah.
And I've always looked up to him when it comes to his drive to be like, if he has something, he's very stubborn.
Mhm.
He's one of the most hardworking and most stubborn people I know, but like in a good way. Because if
Yeah.
he wants something,
He will
he'll
get it.
go after it.
True,
And
yeah.
I have taken over that. Like when I think of something in my mind, I automatically, I'm like,
Yeah.
I need this because I get it from
Yeah.
him. I've seen Dalen do this and I'm like, shit, I really admire that quality
Bro.
about you.
That's the same with me as well. So my sister, she has this thing in her where she's understanding. Like, if someone's telling her something, she wouldn't have she wouldn't keep it like she wouldn't close her mind and be like, no, this is what I believe, and I'm not gonna listen to what you say. I'm just gonna do what I want to do. And I'm that kind of a person who'll be like, bro, but this is not what I believe. So I think I'm gonna do what I want to do. And I really like that from my sister. She's like, has an open mind. She
Yeah.
can take different perspectives and then think and be like, okay, I'll do what's right and not what I feel is right. And I really look up to her for having that personality, And I'm like, I would want to be
Yeah.
like that someday,
Same, I
Yeah.
think, like, speaking about that, whenever I tell my brother about certain things that go down with my parents,
Yeah.
he's like, he'll not instantly understand that because,
Yeah.
of course, even when you're siblings, you deal and you deal with the same.
Analyze.
You
No, no.
perceive them differently.
Yeah.
For sure.
No,
Yeah.
you deal with the same family differently.
Yeah,
But
that's
different
what she said.
perspectives.
Perception.
That's
Yeah, so
exactly
sorry,
what she said.
sorry. But like what we fail to understand is that like, even our parents are growing older.
Yeah.
So how they deal with it is going to be completely different than how we've dealt with it.
Yeah.
So, like, again, being open-minded. Dalen, whenever I've told him anything about whatever I'm going through,
Yeah.
he's always been there and like always listened
Yeah,
to me. And
yeah.
then like, said something.
dude, that's important.
Yeah, that's just so nice.
Just listen to me. Let me
Yeah.
just say. Let me just say.
Yeah.
Then
You
give
don't
your
need
opinion.
someone to always give you a right
Yeah.
answer. You just need someone to listen.
listen. Yeah.
And I feel I've always, if it's not for my friends,
It's
it's always.
even
With
for me, my
Dalen.
sister.
Adi, I feel like, so I'm the elder child and he's the younger one, right? So with him, I feel like there comes a lot of pressure because for me, my parents, I mean, I've been good at studies. I've always participated in extracurricular activities and like teachers have always spoken good about me all the time. And like every teacher, every class teacher or every teacher that I've, dealt with, they've all said the same thing to my parents that, she is very hardworking and like she's actually like very smart. You guys don't need to, worry about her a lot. But Adi has that pressure now
Yeah.
because his elder sibling is like way smarter than him. That's all. It's a fact.
Adi?
Adi,
Why
it's a
would
fact.
Adi,
Adi, we
please,
love
if you're
you.
listening to this, you're great in
Yeah.
your own way.
We love you.
So that's what I'm
Yeah.
coming to, right? That's what I'm coming to.
Huh.
But like I thought he would like take this pressure and just like downright go into bad things and stuff. But no, he is so smart. He is like I don't want what she wants. I
Yeah.
have different goals.
Yeah.
She has
His
different
own
goals.
individuality.
Her
Yeah.
destination is different. My destination is different.
Right.
So, doesn't matter if she gets there faster, if I
True.
get there
Yeah.
late. She is doing her thing and I am going to do my thing, irrespective of if my parents compare us.
The
Yeah.
fact that he has learned this so early
Early,
on,
I
love-
swear to
yeah.
God.
it's
but-
so good.
But even though having said that, he is such a brat. He is such a
Valid.
brat.
that
like,
comes
bro,
with being a 12-year-old.
it does, but like still, it doesn't give you the right to
To be a
To steal my
Can
food.
I remind you?
to steal. He steals.
Can
my
I
food.
remind you of when you were 12?
I was.
You
but
were also a brat.
still, but like
Way
still,
brattier than even
bro.
he is.
Listen. So like,
See?
my dad gets like 4. Like if there's anything my dad is bringing, like he's getting chocolates, so he'll get it in like 4 units, not even 2. He'll get it in 4 units. So if
That's
my
why
dad
there's
is
so much chocolate in your
Wait.
fridge.
Good for us.
so if my dad is bringing like pastries and stuff, my dad will get 4 pastries, 2 for Adi, 2 for me. I will finish my one. I will keep my one in the fridge for later. Adi will have both of his like at the same time, and then उसका खत्म हो जाएगा. फिर वो मतलब मेरा फ्रिज में देखेगा बाद में और फिर खा लेगा.
I will tell you what it is. This is the older sibling syndrome. I just coined the term. You know what these older siblings do, they will collect their stuff
Yeah.
in hopes of later on eating or showing it off. के तूने क्यों पहले खत्म
तूने
किया?
क्यों पहले खत्म
अब
किया?
तू देख. And you know what you guys do? You know what you older siblings do? You forget about it. You forget about it. How many times have I come into your fridge and been like, "Oh Srushti, ये donut अच्छा दिख रहा है. ये तेरा है क्या? हाँ मेरा है. आदि ने अपना खा लिया. कब का है? 2 हफ्ते हो गए.
2 हफ्ते हो गए।
भूल गई है ये बंदी.
No,
ये बंदी भूल चुकी है.
Yeah.
मैं भूल भी गई हूँ. उसको राइट नहीं है मेरा खाना खाने
अरे
का.
अगर वो पूछ कर खा रहा है तो
नहीं.
Also,
अरे 1 minute, like I come back from home, entire day I'm thinking आज घर पे जाके वो last slice खाऊंगी पिज्जा का, and then I get home and cut to like पिज्जा किधर है? आदि के पेट में. अरे
Why are siblings always fighting about food? I'll tell you this one incident that happened. Bro, I remember this like it was yesterday. So, it was my parents' anniversary, okay? I think I've told you this, I don't remember. But anyway, it was my parents' anniversary and I was sitting on the sofa with my plate next to me. Okay, and I was getting ready, putting some show and all to start watching with my
Yeah.
dinner. And Dalen comes with his plate and he doesn't see my plate and he sits on my biryani.
Oh no.
I lose my shit and I'm like, I hit him. Reflex. He hits me back. I hit him back. He pulls my hair. I scratch him. It's going south so badly at this point. My parents are like, "Arey, it's my anniversary. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Please stop fighting. Please stop fighting." And then my dad is like yelling on top of his voice, like, "Shut the hell up. It's our anniversary. We want to enjoy." And then at this point, Dalen and I are not fighting anymore. It's my dad's voice who's like taken over. The neighbors come over. Oh shit. काय झालं इथे? And then my dad is like, "Oh no, these people are fighting." No, they didn't come because we were fighting. They came because you were shouting at us.
They came because you were yelling.
And then yeah, I was crying of course because he pulled my hair. But yeah,
You felt
It's
good
so-
because you scratched him.
It is so sad. Everybody has this, my worst fight with my sibling. I don't remember. Like, I never remember any of it. That shows how like pointless siblings fights are.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I think of them and I'm like, okay, I was thinking of this episode. I was like, oh, what's the worst fight I've had with Api, Rida, my sister? And I'm like, shit, I really can't. Like, I can
Yeah,
remember
yeah,
the
yeah.
aftermath
Yeah,
of
yeah,
some
yeah.
of them. I cannot remember what the objective of the fight
yeah.
was.
same.
Yeah.
And they never say sorry.
Yeah.
It's never.
There was this one point where Dalen and I had a really bad fight over something so stupid, and then he didn't apologize. He was just like, "How does this shirt look with this pant?" And I'm like, "It looks fine, but beige would look
No,
better."
My sister
They
always
do
does
that. Like, after big fight has happened.
Yeah.
उसके बाद आएंगे, ये जा रहा है क्या इसके साथ?
Bro.
नहीं जा रहा है. Eyeliner लगा दोगे? नहीं
My
लगाऊंगी.
sister will ask the most random question, out of the blue.
Yeah.
कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है ना तेरा, चल जाते हैं.
Adi will come.
Damn sweet.
I know,
Yeah.
I know.
Adi will come and like, ये sneaker match कर रहे क्या t-shirt के साथ, and then I'll say no.
और he will say Domino's order करके दे.
हाँ, oh my
Yeah.
god, oh my god, the amount of times Adi has like put ऐसा makhan to me just because he wanted to eat something.
Valid.
Yeah, बस
Every
ऐसा
time we are over to your house,
तेरे
she's
फ्रेंड्स
always
के लिए
order-
मंगा रही है,
हाँ,
मेरे लिए भी मंगा. So एक बार तो मतलब मैंने उसके साथ कुछ झगड़ा किया था और फिर उसके पहले we had decided that we are going to order something. I think we were going to order KFC. And then some fight happened. I said, I am not ordering. You go deal. 6 साल छोटा है, समझ में नहीं आता ऑर्डर कैसा करना. अभी सीखा है कल का छोकरा. So then
phone सबके पास, सब है उसके पास.
सब है. He's lazy, very lazy. He
Same,
knows.
same.
So then और पैसे कहाँ है उसके अकाउंट पे? अकाउंट ही नहीं है, कहाँ से ऑर्डर करेगा? तो फिर then we had a fight and I'm like sitting not speaking to him, like मैं नहीं ऑर्डर करने वाली. Then he comes, sits besides me and he's like, अरे यार, मैंने बोला, मैंने just पूछा like what happened? He's like, नहीं यार. And then I was like, tell me. And he's like, नहीं यार, मम्मी हमेशा ऐसा करती है. And then he said something relatable about mom and I was like, है ना? And then he's such a manipulative kid. And then he started telling me one story and then he's like, but मुझे अच्छा लगा, तूने ये ऐसा किया था, तुझे ऐसा
हाँ.
वापस करना चाहिए. And I was like, damn, you want that KFC? I'll get you more KFC. I
You
love
want
you.
brownie with that also?
Yeah.
I'll get. That's cool with me.
And then he was like,
You want
"Abhi-"
the 3-week-old brownie that's in the fridge that actually was mine, but now you can have it because it's 3 weeks old because I'm not gonna have it anymore.
And it's about my mood also sometimes. Okay, so if I'm feeling generous, I'm like, हाँ खा ले. And then the next day I'll be like, तूने कल मेरी brownie क्यों खाई? क्यों खाई? अभी जा लेके
I
आ.
am letting you eat it so that I can use it against you
Yeah,
later.
of course.
Bro,
at
these
all
older
times.
siblings always.
And then the younger siblings
No.
always fall into that trap. Yeah. Because I want food. Why won't I say? Why won't I say
Bro,
yes?
no, my sister's the complete opposite. So my sister's not a big sweets person. I love sweets. Give me any sweet, I'll eat it. Okay, so and she's not a big sweets person. So I have sweet घर पर मिठाई घर पर आई है, ठीक है?
बेसन का लड्डू.
No, anything, any sweet. I love everything. घर पर मिठाई आई है, ठीक है? The first 2 people to eat it is my dad and me.
Okay.
We will taste and be like, अच्छा नहीं है, अच्छा है, XYZ. My sister's the last. Whenever अगर डब्बे में आखिरी पीस बचा ना तो वो उसको मिलता है. And my mom's like, Bittu, Dhritika, you will not eat it. It's hers. You've had your share. It is hers. It's the last bite. I'm like, यार, but I love it. उसको पसंद भी नहीं है. Then I'll go. Like उसने ले लिया because of course she wants to make me feel jealous. And then she'll eat it मेरे सामने बैठकर खाएगी वो. And I'm like, यार तुझे पसंद भी नहीं है, दे देना यार, दे दे. And then she'll always give me the last bite. Always.
She gives you. I would
Can't
never.
relate.
Even
Can't
if I
relate.
don't like it, I will still sit and eat it in his
No.
mouth. Like,
You
what
want
is-
this?
You know what is
You're not
so-
getting it.
That's me.
yeah.
That's
you know,
me.
You know what is
Yeah.
so
I will not give it to her.
you know what is so pure about siblings and like the relationship you share with them, no matter how like rough it can get, the sharing of clothes.
Bro,
Yeah.
I know
my
you
God.
guys won't. You guys won't.
No.
relate.
I do it.
I relate with
You
you,
know
so much.
half the t-shirts I wear to the boxing and gym.
Yeah.
All his. All are his.
Wow. Nice.
I wear. So we share the same shoe size as well.
Yeah.
And
Oh, wow.
Adi is like crazy sneaker head, like
Yeah.
crazy,
देखा है
mad
हमने.
crazy.
देखा है हमने.
So then, I don't even have to buy shoes. I don't buy shoes. I just wear
But
it.
you know he's going
But-
to grow out of them, na?
Yeah.
But then you'll have so many good
Exactly. And then every time
shoes. Let
I
him wear your high heels sometimes. huh?
yeah, I will. You
Yeah.
can take my high
Hmm.
heels. And
We're
then
breaking gender stereotypes in this.
Yes.
yeah, and then I wear and I come like I wear those and then I'll bring it home and then he'll be like, यार इधर थोड़ा सा brown हो गया है, मैं इसके लिए नहीं देता हूँ तेरे को. And then like तू बड़ा है या मैं? And then he will sit with his like sneaker care kit and
Yeah.
then brush those and clean them like वापस नहीं मिलेगा. And then the next time I ask him and then he's like हाँ ठीक है पहन ले.
हाँ, it's always that. Like my sister, she is always like, ये t-shirt तुमने पहने? हाँ पहने. बड़ा हो गया. तो दे दो. तो दे दो भाई,
वैलिड है भाई,
Valid
वैलिड
है।
है, वैलिड
मत पहनो।
वैलिड है। मैं और मेरी बहन, हमारा कपड़ा का साइज भी सेम है,
हाँ देखा
ठीक,
है।
हाँ तुमको पता है ना, सेम है। तो हम लोग इतना कप वी गेट, सो she'll go out for shopping, she'll get something for herself, for herself, for herself. she'll be like, ये मेरा है, तू टच भी नहीं करेगी।
हाँ
मैं अगले दिन वो पहनूंगी। क्या करेगी?
Just to spite her.
Just to spite her, क्या करेगी? मैंने पहन लिया, अब उस वो क्रिम्पल्ड हो गया, अब तू क्या करेगी?
you know one
That satisfaction is
once this happened, my sister had this like oversized shirt
Hmm.
and I was like मैं पहनूं please, नया था, एक दो बार ही पहना था उसने। she's like नहीं, I'm like क्यों, like oversized है, बड़ा भी नहीं होगा, क्यों नहीं पहनूं? and then I went to my mom and I was like नहीं पहनने दे रही, मैं उसको कितने कपड़े देती हूँ उसको पहनने के लिए, but she's not letting me wear this, please like tell her to just let me wear this.
Yeah.
मॉम डैड का भी नहीं सुना उसने। नेक्स्ट डे नॉट एग्जैक्टली नेक्स्ट डे, 2-3 दिन बाद कोलाबा गई एंड शी सेंडिंग मी पिक्चर्स
No.
of like oversized t-shirt and she got me too and I still wear them.
That's so cute.
That's
That's
nice.
so
I-
cute.
I-
She's like मेरा नहीं पहनेगी, नया चाहिए तो ठीक मेरा नहीं पहनेगी लेकिन।
आदि को तो पता भी नहीं होते उसके कितने सारे टी शर्ट मेरे कबर्ड में है। उस दिन मतलब मैं अपने कपड़े मतलब सॉर्ट कर रही थी एंड देयर वाज दिस वन ऑफ हिज फेवरेट टी शर्ट और वो मतलब मैंने अंदर छुपा के रखा था तो वो ऐसा बाहर
उसका
आया।
फेवरेट है इसीलिए।
उसका हाँ तो उसने ऐसा थोड़ा सा साइड से देख लिया, नहीं ए मम्मी ये देख, मैं 3 महीने से ढूंढ रहा हूँ ये इसके कपड़े में। आई एम लाइक हाँ तो तू ऐसा नीचे डाल के रखता है, मैंने रख दिया होगा अपने कपड़ों के साथ। ही लाइक नहीं 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 तू मुझे फोटोज दिखा, तूने पहना है ये, तूने
हाँ।
पहना है? मैं नहीं पहना बाबा,
एक
नहीं
ग्रे
पहना।
टॉप है मेरा, मुझे आज तक एक ही बार पहना है, अब तक नहीं मिल रहा मैंने।
नहीं मिलेगा भी नहीं,
नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे।
मिलेगा भी नहीं, वो मेरे पास है।
हाँ क्या?
ये क्रॉसओवर क्या है?
नहीं सुशील, you should genuinely have it.
Yeah, grey, the long sleeves
No,
one, the
no.
crop top.
नहीं
The
it's
NASA?
different, it's different, it's
Okay. So you know how this sibling thing is, जब पानी लेकर आ and then you know we keep a count कि अरे इस बार मैंने लाया, next time तूने नहीं
Oh,
लाया ना
yes.
तो तू देख। So then मैं हमेशा मतलब थक के आती हूँ ऑफिस से या फिर कॉलेज से, मैं sit and I'm like ये जा पानी लेके आ, and then he gets it every time. But then whenever he asks me like पानी लेके आ, I said खुद ले। and then he's like मैंने लाया था ना तेरे लिए लास्ट टाइम, तो मतलब अभी क्यों ऐसा, हमेशा ऐसा करती है। Then I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है मैं अभी नहीं लाऊंगी, तू भी मेरे लिए नेक्स्ट टाइम मत लाना। एंड देन अगेन द नेक्स्ट डे आई सिट, आई एम लाइक जब पानी लेके आ, लाता है ग्लास भर के। अभी ये किसकी गलती है?
गलती नहीं
गलती नहीं है।
You know there
वो
is
प्यारा है।
You're taking advantage of
वो प्यारा है और
being
तू
nice,
कुत्ती है।
Srishti. What the hell?
there is something so odd about people that grew up with no siblings.
Bro.
पता है एक मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है एंड शी डजंट हैव एनी सिबलिंग्स। तो वो घर आई थी एक बार और मैंने उसको बोला कि मेरे घर पे, मैंने उसको बोला मेरे लिए पानी ला, वो बंदी उठकर लेकर भी आ गई।
Like no
I was
banter.
I literally I told her that listen, I can tell that you've never had a sibling.
yeah.
Because nobody, no normal person with normal life experiences or a sibling would ever do this without
Yeah.
a fight.
Or even a simple नहीं.
नहीं, हाँ,
नहीं.
नहीं, and then do the thing.
Do the thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं.
एक बार तो सो बहुत नाइव है आदि और मैं उसको बहुत पागल बनाती रहती हूँ। सो लाइक आई हैव दिस वन ग्रेट स्टोरी। सो वी यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज डू दिस थिंग लाइक ग्रोइंग अप, लाइक तू अडॉप्टेड है।
हाँ.
Everyone,
Yeah,
all
yeah,
the
yeah.
siblings have done it.
Yeah.
So he was 4 years old. Listen to this story.
I have a great story to this.
This guy, छोटू सा बेचारा मेरा भाई,
Aw.
4 years old, रोज ऐसा बनियान और चड्डी पहन के घर में घूमता रहता था।
I can imagine him, and why would you do that?
उसको मैंने बोला कि तुझको पता है क्या कि तू अडॉप्टेड है, हम लोग तुझे अलीबाग के कचरे के डब्बे से लेके आए। And then आदि like कुछ भी, and then like जब मम्मी पापा को पूछ, उसने पूछा, मॉम डैड प्लेड अलग ने, like हाँ
Oh no!
he got
Oh,
so
no.
upset. He got
Bro, that's evil.
That's evil. Listen, he was upset for like a while. अपने
Yeah, no
iPad
shit.
पे, अपने iPad पे ऐसा गुस्से, iPad पे गुस्से में कार गेम खेल रहा था। फिर मतलब इरिटेट हो गया और उसने हाफ पैंट पहना और टी शर्ट पहना। फिर अपने उसका स्कूल बैग था, स्कूल बैग से उसने सारे बुक्स निकाले, पाउच निकाला। रुक बैग में क्या भरा? चॉकलेट्स भरे, रियल का जूस भरा आईपैड भरा, चार्जर भी नहीं डाला, ठीक है, आईपैड डाला और दो बनियान लिया और 2 चड्डी लिया.
Man has his priorities set. I know.
और अपने पिगी बैंक से 20 रुपए का नोट निकाला और डाला
I love
और
Adi.
बैग
I love
पैक
it.
करके जा रहा है. मैंने पूछा किधर, बोलते हैं अलीबाग.
To my real house. That is so cute. I remember when I had this one big fight with my brother, okay? And I came back from school, okay? School was anyway so bad.
Yeah.
So bad.
And then you come home and then your brother's telling you no one likes you. I'm like, I had a rough day, Dylan. Can you not? And I'm like, but why would you say that, Dylan? I had a long day in school. And he's like, yeah, no one likes you. You're adopted. Like, leave. And for no reason, we didn't even have a fight that day. It was almost like he wanted to have a fight with me. So then I was like, I was in no mood to fight or like give anything back to him. I was like, Jane de yaar. I was almost in tears. I opened my cupboard. I removed my bag. My mom's like, what are you packing for? I don't know. I'm going. I'm leaving. No one likes me in this house. And then
Sorry, go ahead.
I mean, I just packed my bags and then Dylan was having such a like fun time.
Yeah.
Like looking at me cry, fucking
Evil.
sadist.
Evil.
God.
You know, about this, like siblings lying to the younger sibling while growing up. Actually, me and my siblings share this dynamic where I know I'm the younger one, but it's like a obvious fact that I'm like a little bit more smart.
Yeah.
So, as in,
Bold
she's-
statement to
she's-
make.
She's good. I know.
Quite bold.
Even I'm also dumb. But then it's like, I don't know. I don't want to call her dumb. She's
You
great.
just did.
No. She's great. She's great. But she's like stupid in the way where we used to watch Wizards of Waverly Place growing up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And there is something to be really said about these older siblings.
Yeah, you're the
Lying.
cause of all the problems,
You-
Srishti.
Lying to us younger siblings. See, this never affected me. I don't want to bash on my sister. Obviously, she's my sister.
Yeah.
But the kind of dynamic that we both share, I tend to be a little smarter in
Bro,
a lot of situations.
I relate.
She is very smart in her own way, and
Yeah.
like there's some traits of her that I really adore. But sometimes she
Yeah.
would lie. As even when I was a child, she would lie, and I'd be like, "Kya pagal bana rahi hai?"
किसको झूठ बोल रही है?
Kisko jhoot bol rahi hai? We used to watch this show called Wizards of Waverly Place on Disney Channel, and she was obsessed with this one character that Selena Gomez played. Her name was Alex Russo, and she was like the only girl family wizard, and my sister loved her growing up. तो एक दिन है ना अचानक से उसको भूत चढ़ा के वो हम दोनों साथ में बैठे एंड शी इज लाइक सिया एक हम तुमको बात बताते हैं, तुम किसी को मम्मा को तो बताना ही मत। लाइक हाँ बोलो। हम है ना असली में विजर्ड है। हम लाइक हाँ तो शो में तो अब्बू मम्मा को पता था, तो मतलब असली में भी अपने अब्बू मम्मा को पता होना। एंड फ्रॉम द शो का लॉजिक आई शुड ऑल्सो बी अ विजर्ड।
Yeah.
But I wasn't. I knew I didn't have the powers. And she's like, "Nahi, I can't show you my powers because they're very they're a big secret. And you're
Yeah.
the only person I've told this to. So like, don't be scared of me. But like, I have these powers." And she thought that she was like fooling me from the beginning. I was like, "Nahi, you're not.
You're not.
You really are. This logic does not make any sense." And to this day, she claims that I was scared when she told me that. To this day, she claims that. I'm like, no, I knew you were lying. I knew you were lying. She's not ready to admit it.
ऐसे मैंने आदि को बहुत डरा है कि मतलब रात में बोल के कि तुझे पता है मैं 4 साल पहले मर गई थी।
ये evil of you.
ये मैं हुई नहीं और वो छोटा सा बच्चा है ना, ए दीदी डरा मत।
क्या gaslighting चल रहा है तुम्हारे घर पे?
उसके बाद ही stopped sleeping beside me.
Bro, I have this one amazing memory from our childhood. So, my grandparents weren't home, okay? They had gone out, and my mom and I were in the kitchen having lunch. It's my sister and me in the room, and she just goes like, you know what? Chal pala khelte hain. I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, चलो खेलते हैं. I'm like, ठीक है, of course fake करेंगे ना. Of course fake करेंगे. That's what I thought. So we have like a proper setup. कांच के सामने I'm sitting on the table. She's got that जिससे you spray water.
Oh, bro, I used to love that.
Bro, I used to
It was so
love
much fun. I used to randomly go in front of my brother. मजे.
She got that. She wet my hair. पीछे से अच्छे से सारे knots निकाल रही है, कंघी कर रही है. And this smart girl, she got a proper कैची. Proper कैची. और ऐसा भी नहीं कि पीछे के बाल लिए उसने, आगे के बाल लिए. This section of my hair. She took. ना? She did chick straight किया. खचा. Not from here, not from here, not from here. From here.
Was your hair standing like this?
Yeah. Yeah, from here.
Dritika's mom still says the story to all
Yeah.
of her.
Yeah.
Bro, I wish, and it was, I had to go to school sometime later. Thankfully, my hair grew till here. There's a picture of me. I have full, good, beautiful hair, and this one section like a box where it's like ittu sabal. My mom was so mad at us.
There is this one
Bro.
mascara by Benefits called Bad Gal Bang. Tu wait. Bad Gal Bang.
No, she was bad bang gal.
Bro, because nobody at that age had flicks or bangs.
Yeah,
And like, I was the first person in my class to have that. And they're like, your mom is so cool. I'm like, no, my sister's dumb. My sister's dumb. My mom's not cool.
But I think speaking about like cutting each other's hair and all, in the lockdown,
The
lockdown was the time where Dalen and I used to cut each other's hair, and I used to give what sexy haircuts to Dalen.
Bro.
I gave him a buzz cut once, and it turned out so nice, you know, like it
Because
genuinely.
it was a buzz cut. There's nothing much to it.
Yeah.
No, but like
No,
a lot of
sometimes
people
you
cannot pull it
yeah.
off. But like, it's not.
That's
He
because
wasn't.
your brother
he didn't
was-
look good. I did a good job cutting. his
Yes,
hair.
I believe Sanjana.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Even though it was just a trimmer that I had to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still,
So you agree it was not a lot of work.
shut up. Anyway, and then he did the same thing to me. Like,
Buzz cut. I don't remember that.
I'm not going to give you tali on that. But anyway, he used to give me like these decent cuts
Yeah.
and stuff.
Good.
And once, like I was in that phase of having like a really short bob.
Yeah.
And then there was one time where it went a little too short. And then when I came
I
to
remember
your
that.
house,
I remember that. I remember
Yeah.
that.
Oh my god.
I was embarrassed for her.
listen, I've had horrible hair experiences. This is currently one of them. But I remember at that time, you know, when you're in the parlor wali didi, you're like, even if you don't like it, you're like, theek hai, chalega,
अच्छा,
abhi-
अच्छा।
abhi kya hi kare?
क्या करे?
But yeah, that was the same thing with
ये तो
Dalen
खून
also.
का रिश्ता था.
I still couldn't tell him because, yeah.
अरे he could see. You didn't have to tell him.
That
He
is
could
also
see he did a
there.
bad
That
job.
was also there, and it was a little too short. And I was like, fuck me.
But
What do I do now?
I really had a question for like all of y'all. Like no matter like how good or bad, whatever, we've had fights, whatever. Would you all like growing up change the kind of dynamic you have with your siblings with respect to, would you change their age, gender, age gap, anything?
No.
No.
I feel
I think I would want an elder brother. I don't mind the age gap. I don't mind even if
that's the thing.
they would be like 5 years old or
See,
10 years old or elder
This
brother.
is my stance on this. I loved having an elder brother because you get like the best of both worlds. you know?
Yeah.
Because
Honestly, yeah.
when I grew up, and I think Srishti will like agree with me on this, is that we used to have these physical fights.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the
Uh,
same with having an elder sister.
But like you're hair pulling and like scratching
Yeah.
and all.
No. No, dude.
No.
Bad
Dalen and
ones.
I used to give blows.
Yeah.
There was this one time where we were practicing
I
WWE.
should show you the pictures of my sister's bruises and her bruises.
No,
that
I
she's
will
given.
show you one permanent bruise that my brother had, and I'll tell you the story behind it. So there was this one time where Dylan and I were practicing WWE on our bed.
Beautiful.
Mm.
Okay, and we have a computer table right beside our bed,
Yeah.
which has like a
Okay.
sharp edge.
Yeah.
Dylan and I were like, whatever, punching each other and all. And then I don't know if he like slipped or what, but he fell and he hit his eyebrow or his head on the edge of that computer table,
Ah.
and it started bleeding. And I was like,
Mm.
oh shit, this shit got real. Like,
Yeah.
this is an actual fight. I got blood out of his face. Shit. And I like got really scared again. I started crying. I was like, I
Yeah.
don't want to play anymore. I don't want to play WWE anymore. And then my dad is taking Dale into the hospital, and like, I'm like, what did he do?
So like, yeah, continue.
Like,
So like
that's
with
it.
me and Adi, so we're both like practicing kickboxers and
Hmm.
boxers.
Hmm.
So just imagine what our parents go through
Oh
almost
God.
every day.
Yeah.
Like एक दूसरे के ऊपर आज अगर मैंने कुछ ट्रिक सीखा है मतलब ऐसे गिराते हैं
Hmm.
जाके आदि पे ट्राई करना है मतलब that's how I know it works. So वो मतलब मुझसे 6 साल छोटा है बट लगता बिल्कुल नहीं है
नहीं
like
लगता।
very very huge very
Yeah.
heavy like
He's
he
big.
can pick me up.
Yeah.
So like one time we were fighting and then he was I guess I think 6-7 years like 7 years
Older.
old 7 years old and then उसने मुझे मारा and then ऐसा मतलब सूज जाता है ना हाथ
Hmm.
वैसा मतलब मुझे कोई जॉइंट पे हो गया था and it was very red evidently red and later it got brown like it was a
Oh.
proper
Oh
bruise
God.
and he felt very bad
Aw.
and I still didn't tell my parents that मतलब ऐसा हुआ है
Hmm.
वगैरह and he went into the bedroom he got Pond's का powder का डब्बा and he's applying me over here देख मुझे समझ रहा है कि तुझको मतलब ऐसा बुरा लग रहा है but
दिमाग लगा भाई.
हाँ ना मतलब you literally proving that how dumb you are and how parents don't believe in you
Small.
Yeah.
Parents don't believe in you.
Bro,
They don't.
that's why, like, not that's why, but shifting from that topic, I always wanted an older brother.
Bro, say
It was for very selfish reasons, but I wanted one.
Yes.
Basically, you guys know,
yeah
I went to a girls' school, no co-curriculars. My tuitions didn't have any boys. I genuinely didn't know how to interact with boys. Matlab, when I came to JC na, I was like, shit,
यहाँ
how
मर्द
do
है।
I do this?
Hormones.
I would so many not hormones. No. It wasn't.
how do I
that.
speak to them
It was genuinely like, oh, this person. If this person was a girl, no, I would have gone up to them and spoken to them and become friends with them. But since it's a boy, like I don't know what to do. I genuinely don't. That's why, like growing up, I was like, यार एक बड़ा भाई होता तो उसके दोस्त घर पे आ जाते at least वो रह जाता.
No, but I guess I would not want to change at all, like not even the age. I feel like very nice having a younger brother because like I am that kind of person. Maybe because I've become an elder sister. Like I like to take care of people. I like to protect people.
Yeah.
तो मतलब आदि being the younger one उसको किसी ने परेशान किया नीचे तो मतलब उसको पहले तो कोई परेशान करता भी नहीं है अभी तो मतलब बिल्कुल ही इसकी बहन आ जाएगी बहुत मारेगी
Subtle flex.
You
but
know,
yeah.
I used to do that. Oh, I completely forgot this. But growing up, as I said, like my sister can be a little timid sometimes. So growing up now, she had this one bully in her class. She was in 7th, so I must 4 years younger. Can you do the math?
third
I was in 3rd.
Quick math.
Quick math. I was in 3rd, and she told me this one time, like, you know, the girl I sit with, like, she really like is very rude to me, and I don't know what to do. And she would never. I would be like, why don't you just fucking talk to her? And I'd be like, she'd be like, nahi yaar, it's not necessary. Like, khali fukat ka jhagda ho jayega. I'm like, okay, I'll talk to her.
Damn.
I am what? How old are 3rd standard people?
8.
8
I'm 8, and I'm like walking on my way to like fight with a 13-year-old. And my sister was like, I'm not gonna make you meet her because you're gonna cause a scene.
Yeah.
And thankfully we went to the same school. So one day I found her in that girl in the canteen, and my sister was around only. I was like, is that the girl? And I
Damn.
was like, she was like, yeah, it's the girl. And I went to her and I was like, if you treat my sister the way you fucking treat her, I didn't say fuck, of course.
Obviously.
I will punch you. 8-year-old will punch. And I don't know. I don't know what happened after that point. The bully
Did she
stopped.
Bro, she definitely got
The
scared.
bullying stopped.
She definitely got scared of you.
Wow.
She got scared of me.
Wow.
Love that.
As she should.
As she should.
But to answer your question, like, if given a chance, I wouldn't mind having an elder sister only for the fact that, like, okay, like when you're growing up, there's always this banter and all. But like once you like mature and you're grown up, you always have this I don't know, there's something about having an elder sister, which I don't know if y'all have experienced this yet, but I've seen these reels where these people are like, you always have your girl.
Like, you know
Yeah.
how
Go-to
our,
girl.
Yeah,
our
you go to
moms are
girl.
with our masis.
Yeah.
Your
Yeah.
mom doesn't have a
No,
sister.
my mom has two brothers.
Two
Yeah.
brothers, exactly. That's why you
Yeah.
don't get it.
My
yeah.
my mom has a younger brother too, and they are also like thick as thieves. I mean, like you
Same.
know, being a brother, like I used to not think कि मतलब रोज ही बात करेंगे, almost रोज बात करते हैं.
हाँ.
And मतलब like they know every small detail, and like if anything
Yeah.
happens, they are just there.
You know,
Very true.
I think I get this from my mom. The relationship that she shares with her brother is like they don't talk on a regular basis, but
Yeah.
like whenever they do, they come back to the same page, and that's
Bro,
me with
same.
Dalen. Like right now, with our schedule being so tight and like,
Hmm.
busy and all of that,
Yeah.
we don't get a chance to talk every day. But
Yeah.
like whenever we do, there's never that awkward phase where like, oh, how's your day? We always come back to the same page, and we're like,
Yeah.
this is where we left off. This is where we're gonna carry on our conversation.
Yeah.
And like it's always like comes off so naturally, and I really cherish that relationship with
So,
him.
about my brother who went to Canada, the podcast thing happened after he left. Like, things got finalized and we shot the first
Yeah, yeah.
episode.
Mm.
I just gave a hint to my bhaiya and bhabhi. I was like, listen, something very crazy I'm doing. It's gonna come up. I'm not telling y'all what. I'm not telling y'all what. Don't even try to guess. And my bhabhi, she's so smart. She'll ask my sister, Batana. Her name is Yashvi. My sister's name is Yashvi. So she's like, Yashu, batana kya hai? And my sister, she knows कि उनको नहीं बताना है. So she won't budge. My mom was almost on the verge of telling them, and my sister's like, "Mummy, nahi." And yeah, like I know that ये नहीं बताएगी.
Oh.
और उनको नहीं बताना है because it's something I've never done before.
Yeah.
So it's like a very good.
Yeah, I know. Something that they wouldn't expect
They
you to
wouldn't
do.
expect,
And like now
yeah.
that when they know
I'm
it,
so excited
you
for
you
them.
can't
to
wait
know.
for their reaction to like,
Yeah.
oh my god.
Nobody knows in my family except for my mom, dad, and my sister.
Oh.
Same.
I've
Same.
been telling strangers also.
Yeah, of course, self promotion.
Self-promotion.
Besharam,
सबको-
besharam, yeah.
सब-
तू भी बेशरम, तेरा शो भी बेशरम.
चलेगा.
Acha, that being said, do you think, like parents, they have a favorite child for sure?
Yeah.
But do you think
Yeah.
siblings have a favorite parent?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Totally.
Bro, no.
The thing is, like, me and Adi, we have
Not
the
in my case.
Yeah, not in my case either.
me and
I don't
Adi,
think so either.
we have the same favorite parent, but the same favorite parent doesn't have us both as favorites. He has only one, and that is Adi.
I think I know what that.
I feel
You
like
want to say mom, dad, and shit?
yeah, no, I know my mom also knows it's my dad. So I feel like I genuinely feel like this, and I hope I'm right, Dad. But like my dad will make me feel like he loves Adi more because I am that person. She said pressure when
Yeah.
I work better in pressure and stuff.
Yeah.
So like if someone gives me a lot of attention and a lot of love, I go on cloud 7th, and then I'm like
Cloud seven, why not
Nine,
cloud nine?
nine.
cloud 9. Oh sorry.
Why not cloud
Huh?
nine?
Like oh मैं तो मतलब रानी हूँ. हाँ.
Queen.
And then so like
Queen.
that's why I hope this is the only reason you pretend that
Yeah.
Adi is your favorite. So that's what happens with me.
That's
and like,
not
but
with
now I like my mom like better. She's logical, yaar. My mama, she's so logical.
We love Srishti's mom, by the way.
Yeah. love
bro.
auntie.
Dalen and I, we both share very different dynamics with both our parents.
Yeah.
We go to each of them for very different reasons.
different
and
reasons.
Like, we really don't have a favorite. Like, I know I don't have a favorite.
Hmm.
Dalen doesn't have a favorite parent. And I'm genuinely believe that my parents also don't have a favorite kid.
Bro,
Wow.
same for me.
No.
That's
What is
healthy
your
as well.
Wi-Fi's name and
oh,
password?
fuck you. I was going to come to that. Why is the Wi-Fi password or any password for that matter always the elder kid?
No,
No.
it's not. It's Adi Rane in my house.
Oh yeah, the Wi-Fi
What?
name is Adi.
Yeah,
Rane,
it's Adi
That
Rane.
is so weird. It's my dad's name. even the password is my dad's name and my dad's birthday.
What? Yeah, mine is Sangvi.
Oh, it's
Sabka.
forget Sangvi,
Sabka.
forget Pinto, forget Rane, Khalfe, nothing. Dalen and his number.
Why? No, the phone number is the password.
There at home anymore.
The phone number is the password.
The phone number, the name is the password.
You
for
have his
everything.
number memorized?
Yes.
Of course.
I don't have my sister's number memorized.
I have Adi's
I didn't have a
number.
phone now because I was stubborn.
I remember.
Adi still doesn't have my
Bro.
number, my mom's number. And mom
He's not from the generation.
या सो लाइक एग्जैक्टली डैड का भी नंबर एक तो डैड के 4-5 नंबर है उसमें से एक उसने ऐसे लर्न किया है पता नहीं रो रो के इतना मम्मी ने मार मार के उससे लर्न करा है बिकॉज उसको मॉम ने पूछा था
984.
नॉट 5 एंड देन लाइक
वापस बोल।
हर चौथी बार ही मारा है हाँ बिकॉज ब्रो लाइक इतना डम है ना वो एक बार
ऐसे मत बोल यार.
one minute. You know how our parents used to take a mock test कि कोई
Yeah,
चॉकलेट
yeah,
आके
yeah.
दिया ऐसा गुम हो
Stranger
गए
danger.
वगैरह
हाँ.
विशाल काका ड्राइवर अगर लेने नहीं आया स्कूल में तो क्या करेगा कैसे घर आएगा वगैरह तो फिर मतलब मॉम ने उसको पूछा कि ऐसा मतलब कोई बोला कि मेरे डैड ने भेजा है चलो मेरे साथ वगैरह तो फिर क्या करेगा तू तो देन ही इज लाइक कि फोन करूंगा पापा को सो देन मैं मॉम से ओके नाइस स्मार्ट अभी बता पापा का नंबर क्या है
वो थोड़ा
वो
प्रॉब्लम है।
पापा का नंबर उस आदमी के फोन में सेव नहीं हुआ
दुनिया ऐसे नहीं चलती।
सबका नंबर
सबके पास पापा का नंबर नहीं है. पापा सबके पापा नहीं है. पापा सिर्फ मेरे पापा है. सबके पापा अलग है.
I remember when my sister got her mobile and her own phone number. The day she got it and she like put it in her phone and like started using it, she made me sit down. She's like, listen, you know mom's number, you know dad's number. You better learn my number right now. And she made me memorize her number. there and
अभी
there.
नंबर sick।
अभी number, हाँ. She like number याद कर मेरा.
Weirdly enough, I only know my older cousin sister's number. Out of like all three of
Clearly
them,
know who the
only
favorite sibling is.
Yeah. Caught red-handed. I feel like she's everybody's favorite though. She's like the most non-problematic child there is to ever exist. I
Bro,
really
even that's my
love-
sister. She's so docile, एकदम प्यारी सी, and then that's
हाँ.
me. एकदम जंगली पागल कुछ भी करेगी कुछ भी
तू
बोलेगी.
जंगली पागल है तो मतलब हम तीनों क्या है?
मेरी बहन के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, you know my
हाँ,
sister, you know
हाँ,
how
हाँ,
कितनी
हाँ.
प्यारी सी है वो, इतनी
हाँ.
छोटू सी है, इतनी प्यारी सी है. And there's me. So like North Pole South Pole है हमारा.
Nice.
I think me and Adi are the same level crazy people. Like it's just like
You
Random-
never let us
No.
be friends with Adi. That's the
Yeah.
problem.
No, we need to start hanging out.
no, he's
with
very
him.
very much fun. Like, but he is very controversial.
हाँ,
These guys are
चलेगा.
like, these
चलेगा.
guys are like, we should get him on the pod. I was like, the number of this we'll be having.
But I think when you say that you and Adi share like the same level of craziness or
Yeah,
whatever, when it comes to Dalen and me, like I know I'm the more extroverted and like, you know, the artsy
Yeah,
person.
same.
Yeah.
Same.
And comparatively, Dalen is more introverted and you know the numbers guy. But like that again doesn't stop him from exploring his creative
Yeah.
side because he's a very, very creative person.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that really complements
Yeah.
our relationship really
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Yeah.
Adi is also an introvert, and you know, most of the people think that he's arrogant, but no, he's just genuinely like, you know, doesn't have the guts or like the. पहले तो मुझको ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी he doesn't even have the will to speak to anyone new. He's just
Same.
he's just like, why is it necessary to speak to someone? So, but like generally comes off as an arrogant person, but no, he's like very sweet.
Yeah.
Also, one last thing like I would say to Adi, like, you know, I genuinely love you a lot.
Oh.
If you think that I am going to steal anything away, like what our parents has kept for us, like the house, property or anything, I am not going to. Like, I'll give you
No.
literally everything on my
Okay.
part. And, you know, anything more that I can give from my part as well to you. I love you a lot. But I just want to tell you that अगर कभी तूने मेरा leftover cake, pastry या फिर कुछ भी खाया, तेरी मौत है.
Yes.
You are
Elder
dead.
sister syndrome. It is
Yes.
real.
It's true.
It is very real, guys. Like
Yeah.
I'm going to do like a long term study on this.
Yes.
This has to be like scientifically proven.
Yes.
Yeah.
It really has to be.
So before Dalen had left to go to Canada,
Canada.
the two of us had gotten our first ever tattoo, and it was a sibling tattoo.
Aww. That's very cute.
Like I think only like a couple of people know. But yeah, it's
दिखता है.
basically a representation of the lifeline of siblings. How it's like, you know, rocky at first, and then it stabilizes as you grow up. But then it's also a Christmas tree because That's our favorite holiday together.
Aw.
And we
Aw.
had this tradition in our house where every year for the last 3 years before he left, we used to decorate the house together in the night, you know, like a couple of days before
Yeah.
Christmas. And I think that was one of my favorite memories that I have with Dalen, because we used to have the
Yeah.
entire house to ourselves
Yeah.
in the night when no one was awake. We should just play Christmas carols and
Aw.
just decorate the house however
Aw.
we wanted. And the next morning it would be like the entire house was like all decorated, and it was just such a nice
Aw.
thing that we used to do.
That's cute as well.
I know.
I know.
I feel
So
like
I have it here, he has it here. So whenever we think of each other, he's like,
you know,
Delu?
I'm sure even everybody else that's watching this has this sort of like connection banane wali story with their own siblings.
Yeah.
And we really do encourage you guys to, you know, comment
Share.
yours
Yeah.
down below. We would love to read
We
them,
would
maybe
love
even
to
react
read
them,
them,
react to
yeah.
them in a later on episode.
Yeah.
absolutely.
It'll be great.
And
Make-
honestly, even if you'll have a bad relationship with your siblings, I think just give it one shot. It's going to work
Yeah.
out. Honestly.
True.
You have
They're your siblings. It's going to work
yeah,
out.
yeah.
it will.
It's so pure of a relationship.
Yeah,
Nothing can go bad.
true.
Like just give it a shot. It'll work out.
Right.
Okay, so to finish this episode off, why don't we have like a really small segment where we give a message to, like a personalized message to each of our siblings?
Oh, that's really
That's cute. Let's do
Yeah.
it.
I
Let's
would
do
love
it.
that. All right. So to conclude this, I have only one thing to tell to my sister. First and foremost, we shot another episode before this, and I stole your earrings. New ones. I'm sorry. I really am. I didn't ask her because I thought she would say no. But although that was the case, I'm gonna put them back as I saw them.
And you
I
wouldn't know.
don't know when this episode will see the light of day, but please, 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 please forgive me. And I hope we can go to more dinners where I, you know, just finish your paycheck. Because I'm not paying. Yeah. More dinners, I guess.
Yeah, and I think I'm gonna try to make this as non-cringy as possible, because I know Dylan and I cringe a lot at a lot of things.
Right.
But yeah, the fact, like, even though like you're miles away from home, I know that's definitely not going to change our dynamic no matter what. I know you're always going to be there for me. I am always going to be there for you. And yeah, I just hope to see you very soon.
Aw. So for my sister, I know we're complete opposites and we don't match at many levels. But 10 years, 20 years down the line, if you want anyone you want to confide in, even today, kal utkar, if you want someone that you want to confide in, you know, I always have your back. Be it the most stupidest thing, be it the most biggest problem, you know I have your back. So just be there.
I think that's a good place
That's
to
a good place to
Yeah,
end.
that's
say
a wrap.
bye-bye to everybody. Bye-bye to the
Bye.
camera.
And bye our
Bye.
siblings. Bye everyone.
See you in the next episode.
See you in the next
Bye.
episode.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Please like as well.
Like
Comment. Share this video with your
Yes.
with your siblings.
or the people even who you consider closest to your family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're a
closest
single
siblings.
child, and you're like super close to your cousins, send it to your
Yeah.
cousin.
Yeah, watch it with them.
Yeah.
Cry,
Even
laugh.
if you don't have cousins, send it to your best friend who you consider is like a sister or a brother or
Brother,
yeah.
whatever, a sibling to you.
Yeah.
Anybody that just played that sort of a role in your life, we
Yeah.
encourage that.
Yeah.
So,
So
yeah,
that's it.
That's about it for today's
Today's
episode. We will catch you
In the
next
next.
week. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.